Hello everyone, welcome back to Salesforce Sisters. Today we are going to talk about the process during the sprint. When the user story is in action, what are the steps that it goes through before it becomes reality and goes to production? First, when the story is added to the current sprint, it goes through the development cycle. Developers work on it. They might connect back with you if they have any doubts or any clarifications needed. Once the developer says completed, it goes to the QA team. QA team tests it based on the positive testing scenarios where all goes good, what is this process this feature has to go through, and the negative testing where if something goes wrong, how would this feature be tested. Once QA is completed, QA team should be ready to give a demo of the user story to the BA or PM. This is the place where is a chance for business analysts to understand the end-to-end user story. From where does it start? From where does it end? And what are the business use cases that they tested? And from here, the ball is basically in the business analyst's court. They need to take it to the UAT, which again becomes a demo by a BA to the business teams first. And as a pro tip, I would say always test your user stories yourself as a business analyst before you go out to give a demo to the business team. After the UAT is given, business teams are going to test it and they give the sign off. That's when the release planning happens, when the story needs to be released, and do we have the sign off for that? On the Jira ticket or Azure ticket, you need to add the release date and the sign off by whom it was provided. Once all these stories that are part of that overall feature, assuming let's say there are 5 user stories for that particular feature, once all those stories are ready and signed off by the business teams, that's a good time when you can go ahead and give a sprint demo to the business team for end-to-end functionality to maybe all org, like all the sales teams or all the CSM teams. And after it goes to production, that's the time when the smoke testing basically you work with the business teams, they test end to end and you ensure that it's not breaking anything else, and that's when the whole cycle of the user story gets completed. Thank you.